Hi guys, this is JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. I am Jamila, one of the actresses. I would like you guys to subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment and share also, and like.
I tell you from what you know. Say, the nephew want you in your life, you know. You understand, you out there stress out. You know what I mean? And I done tell her to say, yo, don't worry about your good family are coming now, you know.
You don't want to go and your family wants it. Because you have a cousin, you gotta go girl vacation. She's not no manners.
Don't you know worry about she,
man.
man.
Most place abusive, you know.
No, man. You know abusive like that, man. You take off my father look a bit. You will slap you 1 or 2 times, but a little something bad. But you can defend you in a known case. You put somebody this year. You go defend you.
What's up? Me and that. What did we say?
You say every night the youth talk about you. Because from the introduce to you, you think you can go get you and then you know work out. So every day you still talk about you and this and that and wait.
You don't give me kind of style for you.
We are telling them to work for some money and that's some money on your foot. You understand? When you love money?
Yeah. If I feel my own money and I work for.
No, but you don't love you have money and give you.
Well, a man's supposed to give man money, so say no to that.
You know, work you now still. You know, no money and no. But the things say love should value something. If you really go love you and treat you right, you should give him a chance.
No,
I'm saying, you know, it's a local family we are developing, you know. You know, see, we are step by step. Now we just live in a little boat, now we are in a country. But no, in case some ugly girl come to my time, when he not keep up with the standard of the family. So that's why I say me I recruit you. And say, right, so today you know.
So your ugly girl him, you don't want him in your family?
Not really. Because the family have too much ugly man in it already. So when you pick them band, them balance out. You understand? So you have to try to build a big family. Nah, yeah, then. See, me grab one little girl, you know. She don't look too bad. You understand? She short and black and thick. You see her? Yeah, man, I'm my woman that I know, man. New for the era. You know, that's I walk in the era and things.
Yeah, I see her a few times, you know.
So that me I show you, say, no, you fit in a yard and now, so you have two hot girls in one yard. But when I'm a big woman, you're a younger girl. So when you go out on a family trip and now, we know, so we both see. You understand?
I have find somebody else.
No, are you me?
Find somebody else who
Yeah,
can match up to his standards. No me. You know?
Listen now. One I think in our family, you come in our family, what teach your man to lie. So if you box, at least you can black when I box man, you get a one thumb, you can hold it. You understand? So don't worry yourself, man. Look at me, no video.
You want that country girl, because them they can live.
Me I talk though, because I something I deal up a yard, but think about it. Think about it.
Me I go home.
Think about it.
Alright.
Alright. Pray to swing them. Every day I go and easy, I go and burn one stick and eat. Life you man, it's just where I go.
Just come for the night food shop, but I'm not done it.
Nowadays I not too see now I go and make a hideout.
They are there, you know. And come down, you know, stills.
You know you have to place around smooth in a place not too hot again like first time.
That me realize now, you're not a boss nowadays.
If I car and how I used to bus nowadays, but if you there go.
You used to remember when I run under bed? When I get licked out.
Boy, she good still. How like here? How like for mommy?
She good man. She always have go and chill up, so.
I hear her up until you go over to me for a long time to see her, you know.
Yeah.
So come here and come find us to see her. So if you have family are going down there.
Now go with her, but things don't get.
I'm not going to be there.
Yes, sir. I'm not to them be work there.
Oh, like same way from morning.
Same way from man.
I know, I also have to raise you.
I mean, man, I have to take care of the place.
I know
The
you.
place look good.
This is a food.
Yeah, me I have food shop, me I come from, no food already out there.
I know you belly looks so flat already.
Yes, sir. I'm hungry. You go look some pork, because I can't bother with the chicken business.
Good, man.
Some pork me they want, but the pork not ready. Anyways, I was going to come go by, I got deal with some me link back in the
I'll be back now.
Alright. The place want clean up, you're blind in the city, you could sweep the place.
That place want to see.
You're blind? You don't see those?
I kind of work still in mind.
That's where we get one man put here.
Well, that's the one. I'm so far to trip. I want to.
Which man's? Every day you just come there, so you can't go look for a woman to come here.
It's a man from forward, man.
Which man's? Me not see you with no woman.
Where is it? I can see mom's full up.
Pretty damn is this.
You're something coming, you know? Yeah, man.
You know what? You're not kill yourself good, you're not clean the place, you're not do nothing.
Where's the man?
What wrong with you?
Where's the man?
Me say you're not kill yourself good, you're not clean the place. Every day you get up your bun ganja, your bun cigarette, and sit down for a phone and press. What you are press? You never a woman that text you, you never a woman that call you. What wrong with you?
Alright. When I'm here to think about it, come on.
Because the place where I'm clean, if you're not clean, you're not clean. And you don't look good.
So you don't
And I'm the one live here.
You don't clean the one.
I'm the one live here. Where you there for? This is not about ganja and do that.
Yeah, I'm there for.
Go look for a woman that if you go look. Or you go look at job.
I don't have to stress the brain.
You know, make you stress me, you know. You know, make you stress me. You know, me I come
going on my room. I can't go on.
Hello. My girl, wait for long, my girl. If you yes, man, I want my girl. I want to know you have so. You come pick you up right now, man. But if you need to, yeah. You want to go live there. I come pick you up.
Alright. I fall asleep.
Wagwan. Where we job on in there? Oh. Oh. Don't live long enough. Alright, my nephew. Yeah, man. Blessed, did you? You're going good, man.
Mom, see that? You're talking about old man. See how I see him.
So you because I go find woman,
No,
you
I'm
find
telling
woman.
you on the way. I'm telling you on the way forward.
Oh.
And I caught up.
How is this?
I'm because this man.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, yeah, in my room, go. Come out of my room, man. Oh, you have a room. You have your room.
You want one broom? Where broom?
Come in and be.
Where broom? Fishy sweep. The place if you place one.
Oh, sweet.
You.
How's your water meal?
No, no, man. Give me him.
How are this? You see oil?
Me, no bad church.
You see how my day my yard so peaceful and I never trouble here. And as I come here, say me have people up here in a things. I walk here, my girl.
The corner is
The place one clean it time and have a chat.
And in the room here, as a woman are you sitting there, I'm going to understand.
Hello. Hello. This is a family yard, you know. You see the man coming in, the man, what kind of him? Calm down. Darling, you come at the right place. What? Hello. Not because see your man beat you up and dash you out. Behave yourself.
Tell her I say place one clean and I see one.
So what you there here
She
for?
just come here for.
Me like then cousin and human.
So I don't live here?
Yes.
Hello. Bad mind. My bad mind needs. Allow me never make him man strive. I want him. Are your cousin? I want him.
Cousin Campbell is a good soup.
Make him man come in the woman. Stop the talking, man.
Come over here so we don't back a nice car.
Stop the talk. Go in your room.
What you do, Papi? What you do?
When you get your man come here, you see your cousin in an argument with you. Why you man?
Me back your man come in.
You say the man a old man and he care what woman come. Why you not happy for the man?
Why could you clean the place before you just come here?
Good or bad or wrong, you there as a woman, you should ensure the place clean. They come back from what
I
day?
don't want to come off your party now,
But yeah, man, this, Mr. Claude said that. Mr. Claude, I'm certified mad somebody. Yeah, my knees have to take some and knock you down. Bad mind ways to cut out. Alright.
Oh, excuse me, let's have a shot there.
The shop the right out here, so darling. Take your time. Job one!
Say can't cook, girl.
Job one!
I said come here, guys. If you
Two and
can't
shop, care about t-shirt.
Hello.
cook.
Control, sir. Control is a controller for you.
Control, you're wearing the slippers again.
Listen.
My girl, what's my reach? You're not the cousin who may be.
You want to set up or something? Look funny.
You know, tell me,
I want
I will fix.
I don't feel your place, man. Don't worry about that.
Make this one
I catch you. Don't worry about she.
Make this one
I
go.
want to look at shower. We call it shower so many times. I look at shower. You see no manners, you know?
Me not business.
You
Manners
not
not here.
manners.
Go wash your frogs the last
And
time.
man, me make you have to left out of the yard because remember me die before you.
Remember family that me not go
I
nowhere.
still can evict you out of the
Stand
yard.
one. Your friend are leaving down.
Me see why the nigga have to left you. You look like crying if you're a young girl. You all they do is mind your business. You see look how Bridget get a woman. Happy for the man. You can't big man that the man that kill you and the same cousin have to save you. When the man a squeeze your throat. Hello. Nobody been there, you know. Alright.
Walk it back to you.
I walk up on them with all the machine. Machine good, you know. Yo.
What
What you? Are your cousin that? Are your family that?
Family.
See if you boy would want thick piece of machine a pass. Like own family.
I'm woman.
What you say?
You know you me say I'm woman.
Liar.
No,
Joke
no
can't make.
I'm not joke.
Right now, more on that. Like you're a freak. The pants will come here. Me heart is a big extra. Yo, she sexy, she raw. Yo, you know English pound?
Then if you like him, I can't line him up on you then. Just what's the other one then? I need to kick off, you know. Me say me I kick off over the feet, see him come. Me know they ain't gonna shop the girl out.
That.
Me line you up on her. Now worry yourself, you have to get her. You know that sitting put on weight. Look what I am.
Excitement don't this man.
Which excitement.
Can't see man, but say after me linking a man, but the argument out is I come here to go dark up that bad dog there and sit now. You know
Achoo.
then we could man.
So you say you want it?
Mean!
Alright, me make you get
Look
it.
at me eye. Not even a blink. I feel like a joke business.
Me will make you get you a simple thing that just put in some words and you get that. You hear me say?
Put in some words and
Me-
you have to put in some words too.
So that me say?
That, what you know man, you can buy a juice.
Yeah, buy me a juice.
So when you can make sure I'm free.
Well, me and I just cut a while ago so me have to go find her back. And then me make you get it.
Because with that,
The girl did bright.
listen, we're gonna stay at Lily Swing.
Look at me now, man. Look at this. Listen to me.
So wait.
They look good.
Because she look good for your friend her.
Friend who?
See, you look clean.
I'm a big friend here. Call me good.
Yeah, I know your dad can't need enough for a man, you know, big boy from school is a skin. Talk about that.
What?
So, you can look good.
Me know you look good here. You're nice.
So hold on, get you.
Yet,
Alright, I'm my friends.
chop.
So yeah, we are dealing differently.
Me there. Go and chill out. I just left over here because if it's over there, me and them people that go come from the camera, they be cussing right now.
Listen, I like when they talk to me there, face then, man. I must say, do face with different things, go, yeah, you see, man. Don't extend me to go and buy the toy, man.
So I heard about you, now we have you.
No, see, I'm gonna get this new cherry pie, so I'm there to test out, you know. So, because we don't move from here, so you put this here again, so you say, I'm bold, man. Right now, I'm bold, that.
Well, you make your whole, but anyway.
I'm going to joke with me thing in a man and I have to catch up on me. I forgot to avoid it again.
Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now.
Sure.
Go and rub your hand, me go.
So you make me get shit. Anything you want. Make it get that if you can't find him. Take that from somebody and me take it.
Alright.
Right away.
Alright, anyway, I go back up at food shop in a car and I'm hungry, you know, so. When I walk over there, I link car for you.
Yo, boy, I love your belly seeing way like a little thing.
You love your trade up. Leave me and my food alone. Yes,
Alright, go and do it.
Alright.
Make sure you joke.
Backside, no manners. Prison, they want to go back again. Prison.
I put me out the way I cuss ball.
No man, no my niece in the such no manners. Come here. You look to me like something. Every time you want attack her, me I tell you something, no babes, no trouble her, love her alone.
Say let's she rising for a fall.
So now JAMMIWOOD get one nice thing. You meet her, they tell her the thing. No, me not tell you. Well, from a man point of view, not like my point of view, because my point of view, only have the eye for you alone. You get one nice girl come in. She start exalt herself. Say, you a nasty man. And start disrespect in one cousin. And at first, he must say, I'm a bored man. I know you have a woman, you know. You know something we don't understand mind black and bad mind. Remember when the man there accusing each other, we have to help. You understand? And now, no man look like one in own a cause of a woman.
So you only came down with sitting?
No, me say me no want go back to jail again.
So you say make sure you have one say in the place?
Well, me give you permission now, fill the car. Because if you die roll, I say I can't send money for your bail.
You call and you have to make me lick him down. That wouldn't happen, you know.
Sister, the boss, I can't because I never go out with you. Hello? Hello? No. But bossy, me come on the work, you know. Me go on the work, me come. Give me look at time though. Give me about 1-2 hours. No, not yet. We don't know what time I start, or maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. Me don't know. We'll figure it out. You want to know? We'll figure it out, bossy. Give me look at time. Me go figure it out, bossy. Give me look at time. Alright? You know, like, I feel like I'm going to hope today. If you know something you want the money and yeah.
No, you have to go because I need to do my ear weekend.
Hey, if I know you're going to work, you know. And you will work fine.
I'm glad.
So you're rosy.
You don't change the argument.
Yeah.
Very little Marga sitting there.
You see my niece now, we promise her mother said no take care, but you don't tell me I don't know. As long as I know me touch her, it's okay.
But the way she's standing at this place, you should have leave her down long
time. So right now I left her in a fear hand. We give you permission, you are the auntie-in-law, you have all authority.
Where you say belt took her?
Bell team man, bell to her.
Alright, well that one here.
Because you see it's
Aye. You don't see me? Oh, you take pass. I don't know if it's the evening when I see big people.
No.
What do you mean by
My
now?
mother never teach me to tell people hold it. So I have to tell her hold it. I don't remember.
You think me and uncle are the same thing?
Now what this?
I say the next time you hear say you disrespect him in here, you go see something, yeah? Just know your space in this and know say you only here for a matter of time.
Yeah, my choice. I am coming at the argument. I never see that. I never see that.
What do you mean by that?
I never see it coming at my argument. I mean, this it.
This who? How far money I talk about?
You remember?
What do you mean by that? A child's space. You do too much thing, you know. What's up? Hold that. Your uncle take care of your things, your mother pass. And you say about that. You're ungrateful. You was ever for me picking your son, I broke them foot there.
That's not blind now. You can't put no blind now.
She out here disrespect your uncle, you know. One piece of disrespect and after me I talk to her, she's still, you know. I'm tired of her, you know. Oh, this is a nice girl.
Yes, and she disrespect when we come in here about to
What
What
you
you
say?
say?
What on
Sweep
there?
up.
What on the
I'm
babes?
can't cook.
What on the babes? What you say? Look, they give my ass now.
Me give my ass to me too much time now.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
good.
place, yeah. Should I be able to ugly self to you know?
I pay disrespect to disrespect.
You
me.
know,
Ali, better come back here. Go in, sir. Go in at your house. Watch out, no, look on him. Him can't even push door in my face with people. Me say I chew him out for no one else. Why you mean no man? You want some good lick man licking up?
I'm phone and rubbish and see for the ground and bottom and a flat top.
Never mind. Sorry about her behavior.
She don't have no manners at home. Me dey go because she tell me to clean up. Place so me come stairs sit down in her.
Clean place and she not
And
even
me
she
can't cook. And me can't do the
Make
disrespect.
better come sit
Me
down.
say I pay you put that in baggy pack up round there so me a try straighten up the place.
Make better come
Actually, me no want disrespect her because she would have down seat. Me no want to cook.
Nobody disrespect her. Make she go on. She's a child. She for what?
Alright,
Yes. Alright. Your did still there? Your did still there? They connect the girl now, no shame.
How we a call girl? I'm here if
No, me.
you know, say you don't really don't have the manners. So how you look?
My God, I know.
You know, you ever look in the mirror and realize you have Down syndrome. You never tell you.
Not learn.
Maggie, why my out here is very peacefully and this little thing here. Come out yourself to come disturb my place.
Can you not feel it here?
Why?
You feel going back in your yard.
You live here?
You
The last time I checked them say you catch girl.
Me not catch
Please
it
forget
from the
the
yard.
one.
I'm here, man. No. Mama beer, me not.
You say get up. You look like, let me tell you something. You look like say, JAMMIWOOD never tell you who this. Say here? Me say forget up and go on in, little girl. Me a size, you hear?
Move me.
Turn around. Who move you?
Hello.
You see how you feeble for your little size?
Do not shake up. Look at that.
Don't point your hand on my face and make a buff you. It come like when the woman give you. It never enough. You are around too.
Oh, what job on get like? Oh, what is
Crazy girl. You never tell you I'm very psychopath and know me have to make an example of you. Miss, you say you don't have no good for say, don't disturb me please, because I don't want to boom you. Kiss your teeth one more time. Kiss your teeth one more time now.
Oh, come in my face now, because you make me want to run. You feel a dopey in the weekday.
But look at what talk about Duppy.
Sometimes you know a job on take you off from a girl.
But look at what talk about Duppy. You don't realize there's a very, 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 very special child.
You know see? You know see?
But no, you're very special. You're very special.
You talk like you want to. We don't go on and go to the and lash off your eye.
But you know, go on a doctor make them fix up your body.
Yo.
You need to go to the surgeon.
What?
We are doing.
Me I put this in a place. This.
Who you call this? I hear me tell you to stop going me and say to go.
Miss, you're coming in, man.
Look on him too.
We are doing.
You want to feel something that I don't create. Cross. No, what kind of something this dog won't have a niece or whatever more have it has. Look on something too. So I should even don't make it.
What?
Lily swing out in a style that.
Which style?
You see how get the girl. If you want to cuss girl and a chase her also like that.
Oh, so if you cuss me, I'm in a fiance, I'm just because me line up a deal for you.
You know say a joke thing and the parent man a style man.
Oh, so she fi cuss me, I'm in a fiance.
Take them talk, man. What kind of cuss so you feel like? Oh, she feel like which at the stage. She just come. Oh, she feel cuss you. She would have been rude. A nice girl been rude so. You know that Lily swing nobody with this style. Lily
So
swing.
yeah, so I'm trouble.
Lily swing no must know the stay from school days, you know.
And that you tell
You
me.
know, like the girl will look cock up more than you know, Lily swing and back you are bigger than feel Lily swing. Lily swing nobody. You know, say a fool lady a fool me, you know. What kind of style that?
What this for me do, Father God? How was it?
Lily swing me a plan to give her a piece of food, no dog.
You're gonna get her when she have manners. When you have manners, then you get it.
Yeah, what kind of style? I suppose when she have manners, me look money done.
But
We have a piece of food right now. I know
so
we
you
have to
see
set up a
a bit
link.
until she have manners.
It's a be a fool and she take my names, but that.
Anyways, me ask you a question. How much money you give me for line her up with you?
Listen what you talk about.
Remember,
Just tell me a price, no man. I have to be talking, no man.
Because money no say you have to give me a thing, you know.
Talking, me not done tell you that already, Lily Swing.
So
What you
much
want?
money? Me want 25.
Yeah, baby money them Lily Swing in your account talk about like I want you. Police. Yeah, when me left army. I want you Lily Swing. This in your pocket. I piece of food for you later. So I carry them alone, me upon me a Lily Swing and some bad dog. You see me?
Make sure you don't ramp with me, you know.
I
say make sure you don't ramp with me.
But good no man. Can't see no man.
Me will go back over this, go talk to her, so may check you back later.
She look nice, you're sorry. I think you not take your pill. I never see you mad in her and make she feel like you're mad, but tell her say you never take your pill. Because when you get up a morning time, you kind of have one inside problem, so you take pill more, but you miss to take a pill this morning. So what's your man? Just tell her. Say you're sorry, you know what I mean, what you say. I'm going in her brain like I was used to go in people's brain at school. You know the style of man that makes you know say I'm a real thing.
Alright.
Family on money. Talk to her about money, tell her she have money.
Listen, we line up with you for your brother.
But tell her say I don't blow a white card, no. Tell her say I have a gold card me have or a black card. Tell her say I have gold and black card.
No, me line her.
That was the girl man you know.
If she cuss me, I cuss her back.
Me pass.
Hi. Hi, miss. Oh. What if you help me? You just chase me out.
Anyways, no bother with that. Sorry for cuss you and thing. My chair look good.
So you cause me become I look good?
Yeah, I mean I like people who look good. I mean I like nobody will look better than me. But anyways, me I can't agree still. Since you're a job, even though I like you.
You don't feel like me, man. You don't feel like mommy feel like me to water her.
I'm my cousin member.
I don't care. You don't feel like why you want like your cousin. Your family around?
I don't mean the way there. I'm my man. Anyways. I can't do one question.
That's the question I want.
Where you see Panny?
What you mean?
Where you see Panny make you deal with him as I have? I had get like you. Where you see Panny make you take him out?
Me love him. And him give me what I want. And I love him. And him can I give me much? I am sad. I can't satisfy.
Love this you here?
That's why you don't have no man. That's why every day I catch. Because you know, nobody can love you. You can't love nobody can love now we're. What we're for you?
Love not weary.
That's why you still here saying that it's funny. They didn't love you. What you want to do? You start catch up from cause from the people in place.
You know, I'm going to agree with him as you say. But anyways, me that one day make now be free.
You want to start off with an apology?
I am sorry. I disrespect you this morning.
And I make you happy again.
No, not argue.
And this man not enough for me to make you this.
Well, I'm sorry. My sorry, I this year. You look better.
Alright.
But anyways, still, between me and you. You know, say because somebody we can line you up and one money man. Yes.
So hold on. My man your cousin. I don't want to bring me the line your palm money man. So what me for trust you?
You don't like that cousin then?
Why me for trust you? Not more than you why your cousin thinks oh, you think you can fool me little girl? You want your cousin to say, okay, she's not loyal. Say you want to lie me palm man, then bring your cousin come show your cousin say, watch out the girl again, but I don't to put her out of them. What can you say
why
about
would
me?
I do that now?
Because I saw you stay. You come here to show me say you don't like me.
Me like you, me just not like my cousin. You know that from man is me not like him. That's why me always a cousin come not like him. And me see you too good for him and you know where to so, girl, me have a money friend me can give you. He will spend for you. Tell me to do that.
What's in it for you?
When we remake, nothing in there for me.
Okay, so you just want to get up and be a, you want to get up and be a good Samaritan after you just done this me.
Listen to me.
What do you mean by the way?
My name is Sasha.
Sasha. Okay, my name is Pinky.
Yes,
This is Sasha. What in this plan for you? Wanna tell me a lie?
Nothing in there.
So you just want to get up and give me a money man?
No, listen.
where you have one?
Me.
Who pay for the slippers where you have one?
Me.
Who pay for the dress where you have one?
Me.
Exactly. Exactly.
Who pay for the clothes you have on?
I'm a pay for coming
So why you can't you said the money man?
I'm a friend for a long time from school days. A friend, nothing more.
That's why I'm supposed to have good connection.
No good connection, no did it. You want somebody with Tanakayo, and you ain't type. And I you never miss whom could have killed.
You don't see nobody?
No.
Tell me about a person here.
Anyways, ain't tall and ain't brown. I mean, I'm money. Make say I'm money. I feel black and gold card in those, you know. Black and gold. You know what is a black and gold card?
I never seen before.
A rich people have them card there.
You see it before?
Of course, they know more than know. Well, I tell you.
So why we can't spend black and gold card on you?
One more
Fix
fix
him
it.
up, Kyle, him friend.
Me not want to want to do that.
Him just say you had one do, and I your friend.
No, me alright with my head. Listen to me now. Me not focus on no one right now. Me not have time for that. And you me see and me say, my cousin is not a good match for me and give you an opportunity to book one rich man. So you can take care of your build a nice house and things and good car. So is either you want it or not.
Me I think about it, I'm still not just.
Well, I can think as long as you want still. But if you want me to go meet him, you can do that.
So come.
Yeah.
I'm going to see the cousin in the other side.
Oh, you go and look and come back. Then say I got that.
Make sure to have my games with me, little girl. What me not come with you? Dear, me I got some soon come back here. Me I go with your cousin. The little girl from in here, so. When I come back, I just explain all them something to you. Alright.
Come on, man. You don't have to tell me because everywhere you have go.
Don't piss me off. Don't get on the wrong side already.
Girl, come on now. It's a chop.
Hello guys, welcome to JAMMIWOOD Entertainment. I'm Riri, one of the actresses. Anyways, I'm just here to say to you guys, we're having a treasure hunt on the movie. In the movie, so basically you're gonna look for the numbers, four number you're gonna look for in the movie. So when you find the 4 numbers, you can comment in the comment section along with whatever we are going to comment.
Yeah man, and remember, every comment is an entry, meaning every time you comment, somebody go write your name down and put it in the box. So you remember, sure, say you're part of the promotion, you have to find the 4 digit throughout the movie. Then place throughout the movie, so it's like a treasure hunt. You have to watch it carefully. Bam, right down in the same order that is in throughout the movie. And you can win $10,000 this month. Next month is gonna go to 20, and the month after that is gonna go to 30, and you go climb and climb. So it's flavor most people head because they don't realize, but it's on. Right? So this is the first month, and this month end we're gonna do the join and alive. And we soon start such live, right? Let's go. Finish watching the movie.
Girl, here's my little girl.
Come on, man, you're not argument, sir. Sure. I want to be here with that call.
Go in.
What? Let's swing.
Stop.
What? Bad charging.
What is that money man we are talking about?
Hello.
Yes.
Baby girl.
I'm a friend, miss.
Good, me just pass you, man. When me go in.
Why you going so strong?
What the money man there?
Come down, baby girl.
Money man, you know, Debbie here. You ever see money man and Debbie? You know, so the cooker, you know, see that test me fear when I need life.
Hello. Calm down, baby.
Yeah, the money man that she talking about?
Calm down, baby girl.
I'm calm.
Yeah, listen, me help her. Come and can't talk to her. Come here, baby.
Go and talk to him.
No go and let me in.
I hear some me stand up out there.
Chat.
Me tell you. I wonder me
You should feel like we get a hard box to coin and you have to talk to her in that car, yeah?
Yeah, dear thing.
Fancy.
You're there,
She
so.
don't like that. She tell her.
She said, tell the princess.
Hello, give me a minute now.
Want you?
Me think we can move from here so because you see if my cousin come out and see me and not see she, he ask me what she did. And me not gonna know what to tell him say.
Swing.
Listen to me. He better we move from here so we go somewhere else go talk and me stand up on side and go talk.
That's a code. Come in here.
Oh, so good. That damn foolishness, you know. Hello. Oh, my sister there. You see what me did I talk about? But you see what me did I warn you? Me tell you say it's not a good idea for you start a relationship behind my sister back. You're alright, you know. You see, alright. You see how you make me and my sister in a things now? Not tell me about no chill. You see my sister now come and she come catch you in a bed, live action. You know why you no foolishness, brother? You see how you put me and thing in me and my sister in a problem? Why come on from this one, yeah, man? Okay, so things I'm gonna catch you now. Sister. What about with it? Do not call me a sister. Me a step-sister. If you were my sister, you wouldn't do what you do. Girl, me I tell her, I never something when me do out of spite. It just did in at the moment and things just start escalating. Me never mean nothing. In a moment, things never mean nothing. So I swear. I swear. Sister, what you do? Beat me for what? Me I tell the truth. I can't find it. Miss sorry, sister. Miss, please, me I beg. What you beg me for? Me and you roll too good for that. Roll too good. If me roll too good for that, you would have sleep with me, man. Me man. Me never know. And him? Me never did on my body. Oh, yeah, we put it back. Just, yeah, bye, because I'm going to make me and my sister relationship wild up because I'm married.
My name Pinky.
I feel so comfortable around Pinky. She will listen and say, I'm comfortable.
What name they like to sing?
I said, I call about church man from school days. We are quiet now. Listen, we call him from school days, isn't it? But still call him so, but I'm not going to know like. Take care of him and treat her good enough.
You can take care of me? You sure you can take care of me?
I'm joking. I joke to me now one time I talk about business place. I have about 6 cars now. Like roll another one after
You
that.
can give me that one to go and drive, ma'am. Me tell my mother, my man tell my mother who.
Tell this man. Let's make sure.
You know, see me with the man. No, you don't have the man anymore.
See no man. No man that man to that man.
No, don't disrespect my boy for you too. Out harder.
Boy, they are rubbish. Can't see
Oh, because she don't like me, not like, you know what? I feel like this is
no
going
baby
to
girl.
don't disrespect my man. You see that deal with me, you deal with me. Don't tag my man. My man, you want your batty man? Charge you and me, you deal with. Don't deal with my man. Don't do that.
Can't bother with something you go on them away, you know.
Sometime in the first year, I know.
What country you come from?
Country I come from Kingston.
Why you always go on them away? Look why
Hello,
you see you go on.
listen.
Yo, so the man.
If I me, you see what me, I deal with and me, I deal with. Don't mention my man anymore. Take care of work with it or not.
Listen to baby girl. Saying not ready yet. What you can do for you?
Bring me back down this.
Watch out, bring you back down. Can't see the man. Just sit down, baby girl.
You tell him so when he deal with me, him deal with me and leave my man out of this.
Why she have here, sir?
Why you not that curly girl, man?
You see me on my phone?
I woman you look down.
Exactly.
Me say what woman you look?
You see me on my phone?
Answer me question.
Ask me no question and you know what I want.
You make me bring her back to my cousin, you know. As she want her or my cousin, which one?
You calm down and listen to me.
Don't mention my man.
You talk about your man, you talk about your man. You talk about your man, you talk
No,
about
Miss
your
Wayne,
man.
my friend. Come talk with your talk.
See me baby girl, man, I tell you me can do everything for you. I just beat up yourself.
You can do for me in the hair and comb.
But at least, I'm not going to come here and make a buy a new brand here. You talk about come here. You can't just relax and go on like this to go sweet a bit. You go on like cornmeal. Can't see no man and go on like sugar and a baby girl. What you pray? Stop your chocolate and man. You're not in time girl. Just relax. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath. Yeah. So when I talk with million here, rich people, when I talk like me, I talk to some people back up. You see me? You see every word me speak.
This have to talk to
You
me.
hear me I say? Every word me speak, money.
Alright, this have to see me approach me first.
And you see every money me spend,
Come on, my
you hear me I say? You hear me I
Me
say?
I hear you, baby, me I hear you.
Baby girl, you see every money me spend, money I have to run.
Alright, what? Alright, this have to see me and bring me in your car.
Relax man, I have worry more forget money if I start doing well.
No, you're not giving me if you bring me up here, so you come.
Relax the man, I have money in every pocket now, man. I want to see baby girl. Can't see no man.
This have to bring me up here.
Relax baby girl.
Come now, man. Alright, this have to bring me up here, so. Hold on. This is the one you have to go do.
Lily swing. I want to tell Lily swing, calm.
Oh, so she does get money, so she
No, man,
want.
more Lily swing piece of food. Girl.
Yes.
Watch out.
Money.
I've changed that them to get my number.
Hello. I get to take me for this year.
Come. This have to get me.
Come on.
This have to get what?
What you do Lily swing?
This have to get half of. Come out of the way and this have to get half of my money.
That here, me no want that.
If you give money Lily swing,
Just give me here, so me dash you.
you know take me hard to make them piece of food.
Me not listen. Give me $100.
That's what table.
Come on, hurry up now. I thought me talk fish she come up like give me money now.
Yes, me I go and say like you use the money. Remember say I'm a rich friend. You know. You can't go on in the way the brother like you use the money.
She want money for do her here and all these things. No want money.
Relax, man. Listen, I have the money for you. Listen, you can go back down to me a piece of big food for you, man. Just relax, no, man.
Alright, go on, go
Use
talk
the
to
food,
her.
use
Yeah,
the-
yeah, go on.
Alright. You give
You
me
see,
one.
feel like give me the money they today.
One, two more, two.
You know how much money that in your hand?
Then this have to talk to me. This have to approach me. This have to bring me up here, so. Right? This have to call she if you make she come apologize to me. This have to piece of my number. Come on, no man.
Come feel it. Come feel it. Come.
Feel what? Me I hear that? Come, you pay for the rest of my number. Your number I want to raise. Alright, 876 then.
See, now, baby girl. So they give me money.
1876 or 1658.
Baby girl. So they give me money more. You talk to me like a lady.
Alright, darling.
Not a get up
You
here.
get the 1658 for the area code.
What go on?
You good?
Yeah, you know. You just see you down the road and you reach already. How I go on now?
I don't say. I can tell you, I go home. Go home, me catch me stepsister or boyfriend down bed.
Boy, I can't manage them store them, girl. So what you go do now? Kill yourself? I got my son, you want to drink?
No, someone.
Yeah, look over there. So I say, what I'm to you now? What you go do now? What you do? You see them in a bed? I do. Where you catch them in a bed? I do.
Eh? Now have sex. So, me a beat boy and then my sister, well, my step-sister, run away.
Oh, are the brown stepsister there?
Yeah.
She was sick, true. Yeah, that
She
guy.
run away and then we catch her.
They catch her up on the road and beat her. Oh, I mean, no say love fight. Don't know you say no love a man to beat up now and then. Careful love fight, you know, one man to fight them. But anyway.
Susan, my test, I come and think about the thing now.
You think about me never know? Well, you look a bit too late. Look a bit too late. Look a tip too late.
Yeah, me.
Jawbone him get one strong piece or something. Breast big, bumper big, everything big. And she dey about the place I know. You understand? So, it kinda rough. Look like he in love too, you know. So, me don't know that go work out I know. And the woman soon forward, so you come picture you can say, you know, say me love pretty woman. So one time I look woman for job one and I myself I look woman. I be a mix up with woman in and so she go on.
But it's supposed to make your son look you one a woman fire.
I know my son, I'm a nephew.
Yeah, nephew.
No, but you know.
Actually, treat him like your son, so people will say your son. I don't want to kind of favor.
But hear me I say to you now. Me like to do things for people what me don't like people do for me. Right now, I would have loved if somebody look one woman for eye. You know what I mean?
You already have one fire?
Yes, I have one now.
I know the one that like him beat if you find out say give him money.
Yeah. But you know what me I say? That's why I see me do it for him. You understand? Because I would love somebody to do that for me too. I will call up a woman right now and say, woman, I capital loving Kongi, you know. You understand? Because when I time, I love if a woman just call me out of the blues. When no say me like her and say, yo, fire! I have something for your bun down, you know. You understand? I feel good in myself, you know, so at least there's somebody out there concerned. Different from a woman, you know what I mean? Because some of the time, you know, that's why it better to catch jawbone on the side for a long time. So when this one give you a problem, you would have jawbone already.
I know someone on the side man thing already.
Well, you couldn't catch him in a middle.
So okay, so could catch him by the side, catch him in the middle.
Catch him in a middle then. So that means that you have your man in one place, but you have one in a middle. Your man overdose so. Because you left my yard and you say you go, when you left gone,
No, me run him out.
you run him out and now. So, anyway, just go and be so lonely days. You never can tell what happened. Alright? If anything change. Me have two never come down to you know. Just like jawbone, you can pick and choose one of them. And them come from country, so they now come with the woman. I don't know no woman up there because they say the big shot of them when they come with the big money, all like a young girl then gone with them. So them barely can get no woman for themselves. Most of the time them say, yo uncle, send me a thing now. Make it go over Ochi on the back road and buy something cause for my family. We know say the youth them love front. So somebody have send money because we don't want no board man and no lean man in our family. You better go buy some. So if you can't get some, you can beg some, buy some.
Years ago, you know.
Yes. So,
HIV, you know.
yes. So when you go to go buy and you don't know where it come from, you go wrap up your thing. You understand? And do your thing. But you know how you catch it bad now? When some woman that in yard now and there's some dirty careless man go out the road now and say any little thing then dash then sit in and then they can come give the good woman a yard. So now you see good woman and I say right, good woman have it too. You understand? The good woman catch you when it's dark. You're there yard. You left your man there. And she take it for your sister. I say good and good we go take it for the neighbor too. and you know do nothing bad, you know. But you come home and you gear it. You understand? Because that never make for dog, you know. It make for me and you catch it. You don't understand what I'm trying to tell you?
I understand.
Yeah, and you know, show up on face, so it'll go round. So, not, you do the right thing. Get him out of your way, because you're not faithful.
No, sir. I am making say faithful.
Well, I sorry God though. But try to keep yourself to yourself and not try to catch nothing. Just lock the shop for the time being. Lock the shop for the time being and focus on your work and do the thing. Don't take that off your brain. You understand? If you're going to the garden, go pick 2 roses and smell it. And live life. And drink some juice. Anyway. Oh, mama now come. When you see the bumper there, roll and come down the road, you know, so it's trouble.
Alright, me come grab me here before your woman come and things say.
Yeah. But anyhow you're feeling I eat, you jump in at the shower, calm down yourself.
Alright.
And just know say one good man out there for you. Because when I never them I go come from country, I go call them and tell them to come.
Give me for done them.
Yeah, you know me I say.
Talk to your friend now.
Hold this. Hold
Alright.
this.
208.
Watch your man. Come see man, we'll go back in the camera.
No, one more. 20. It's so 165 8208. The one to race.
How much money when me have to pay?
Oh. Alright.
Watch your man.
But I give me next $100, you get to next.
Man.
No.
Just follow my footstep. Alright.
Come here.
No, me ain't a friend. That's me I just me a woman too.
So you're not giving me the next. So you want me?
Watch your man, me have a whole heap of money.
Alright, one more.
Come
Just
see, man.
one more. This one.
Come see, man.
One more.
See where them a come from? Millions did it.
So give me the
Watch your
one
man.
more,
Come
no?
see, man. Just relax, man.
What your name?
Just relax, man. You're gonna know everything, man.
We're ready. If not, give me the one more. You ready to give me the one
You
more?
carry money in the man.
I $100 you want to take over.
What's your pocket? Your money in the pocket.
Alright. So you get the 165, 208, 18, 9. These are the 98 one.
Come see,
Thank
man,
you.
baby girl. Come see, man. Come see, man. What you bring? So you're going to have a good, nice moment.
No, no,
You
come
just look at Lily swing.
No.
Where you drop me off, go?
Why I'm not in the evening we're gonna have a talk. Like my man down here, so I'm gonna tell him to shop me for shop take too long. Come on.
Shut. Oh, alright. Tell you what. Yeah, make him come back. Look more Lily swings.
Yeah.
Or tomorrow.
Remember you have more. Tomorrow.
I want money.
No, Lily swings a little more. Just link up little
Me
more.
want money little more, a little more.
Tomorrow.
Me say a little more.
Little
Me want
more.
money too.
I remember say I have a lot of money to give me a little more. Come.
Where yourself, man? That's
Start up it here, man.
Lily swing. Come on.
You're not get money. You're gonna get it. Okay. Now I'm not here, man. You're too free.
Come inside. Come inside.
I give money what you
No,
got.
no, police can't catch us up on the road. Come in.
Where me, man? Yes, me. Stop coming, come start the car now.
Come see, man. Come see.
No, tactic. No.
Yo, we wanna sound that go, you know.
Just let me have right here, so me and Sasha will walk go down. Wait now, you hear me say that we have right here, so you come
Alright.
in here.
Alright,
Come on, so I can't, 'cause you love sweets too, you know.
Alright, do the right thing.
Tomorrow.
Big up yourself in a baby and make sure you check in late. Make sure you check in later, yeah?
Just go on down, yeah? Go on
Oh,
down.
don't shoot me.
Go on down. I had to walk.
Girl, man.
Come.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, where you go?
Me go.
Where you go?
Calling you see I got a shop. Me
No.
put on the shop. I know so in the shop. What?
No, I'm going to go on the road go deal with something. I'm just bring him. Come
I'm
just...
gonna eat.
Yeah.
You know, my kidnap you.
Kidnap, what am I
Hey,
kidnapping?
me,
Kidnap me fast.
you have a price, you know.
What the fuck?
I'm parroting. What do you mean? Even responsible they want to kidnap she, because she won't even I just you, me, I
Don't
what
say
you
that.
mean by?
I'm a little friend now.
Where you come from? Look at your nail shop.
No, them never have what we want. I'm going to go deal with someone. But true, I'm a little friend. I don't want to stay, so I have to bring her with me.
So all of a sudden turn friend?
Yes, best friend. We're not best friend.
Tell him so we are best friend.
We're not
Tell him
best
so we
friend.
are best friend.
We are best friend. Okay. What secret? What secret for God? That's up. Come go on in our yard. Come and tell us if we wait. Me too come.
No, I must know what to deal with them.
Alright, sorry. Come go down. Come in. I don't want you to road. So we can go take you away. No, no, man.
Look how we are weird too. Look how we are weird.
Just be.
Just be and breast everything on that show.
Come, good.
Yeah, me know where come on and hold me.
You have you on the road. I'm going to go
Come on, we go home when one who come from you. Yo, what's up, Shark? Yo, go on in there. Go on.
So now go down here, go down to get
No,
a
me
beat.
have to take a serious talk right now.
Girl, go on down. Yes. Stay in the yard this time.
Oh, you should. Come on, there, man. You should have smart. You must have me there, and man, you know. And me with underpants and the pants, you know. You know. Come out of his son.
Come out of his son, it's not about me.
So you if you come out of his son, man, you mean by me come out of his son?
Me not like how you go on the road, you know.
No, you even like me a boy a while ago, you mean by? You say me a man, you know.
Yeah, man.
So me a what then?
Yeah, man.
Me a what then?
Yeah, man. You have money like a man.
So what money have you do with it?
Nothing.
So what on there? A man go look for they have money.
Be humble, look, man, I have you in my house.
Oh,
yes, sir.
What you mean by?
Come go down. I can't embrace me on the
What do you
road.
mean by come what? Yo.
We are going to eat. We need to give you something. We need to talk.
What? Talk. Tell me what you need to give me.
Alright, what's I know you stay out here, son, cause me are going to the yard. Say if you want to come, you come. If you don't want to come, stay.
If I think I come give me, you know. Alright, let's see if I go fling it up. Alright, I'm gonna laugh with him, you know. I'm going to know man shot up and go, yo, you don't know man, you go look in the man, yo.
I said, look at you, girl. Sorry, you want to talk to you. Which man can't take a cousin, girl. Sometimes.
Sorry, man, cut. Everything he cut. He come like mama, man. Just let me know.
Oh, the turn friend I know.
Eh?
On the turn friend.
Me just talk to you more of like a piece, red.
Yeah, man, that's someone the yard to run, man.
Yeah, like a piece, red.
Yeah, man, just come off of the road. You know, good door.
Well, alright, I'm hungry. I'm alright.
Alright. Job on in there, job on in there.
In the pie, must have on the road and I'm going to know.
Alright.
You know, all right, if you eat me hungry, you know.
Yeah, go ask me, man, about it. I should
You
see
know
that.
what you man, go on me.
Alright,
Yeah, where I come from now, street friend. Alright, nothing wrong with me, you know.
Come on.
You tell me what
Vitamin D.
you need vitamin D.
One now.
One house. If you have picking this up, you don't get no check. Yo, come in.
What's up? I must. Hello, I must do what it is. I must do what it is.
Come on.
Take me up.
Come on.
I'm not here from the Kawan.
I want to see my girl.
Jesus, man. Hey, your cousin will kill it, you know. You know me a who? You know me a who, boy? Listen, don't touch me. Yeah, don't touch me.
Yo, go on there, what's the
I know that run.
Don't, girl, don't move. Don't
You
move.
know that to me angry.
Do not touch me. Hey, boy, you know me make two bad man lick
Two
up
bad
your...
man do.
Yeah, you that?
Who?
That's why man, I forget
First
bun
thing again, my
sometimes.
girl.
Man, to get bun to throw.
That's why man, forget bun. Because inside.
That's why you never have a man for yourself. Don't stop with show. Go on in, man.
At least me not beat me.
And me, hey, shot ya, me a talk.
Me, come.
You saw me make the cousin diss me? You know I'm licking in your face?
You know I'm sorry, boy. I was angry, man. You know I'm kind of jealous.
I'm gonna tell you something, boy. Say,
What you do?
don't put your hand on me, because you know I'm licking in
What
your
you mean?
face. Ease off for me, man.
What's going on, talk?
Stop grab my hand. My never left. Come here, go home.
Go what kind of home?
You tell me I have somewhere. You feel like me a catch?
Man jealous on some style and you can't go with town. How do you get money from? Oh, give me a check too. Where do you get money from? Oh, give me a check too. How will you give money?
You don't give me money?
I say, I know some of me give so who will give money?
One man.
What do you mean which man, one man? What do you mean by man?
Hello, my mother called me and tell me to come pick up something. Listen to me. You know when I come out of the yard with your cousin, but come realize that we don't have nothing here. I say you're not working and you're broke, right? So I'm gonna collect the money from my mother to put groceries in your house and for clothes. But guess what? If you get all order and them get to a number, you better find out, find somewhere, find something to eat and I'll close this.
Oh, my phone not dead, my phone active. They never call me and say, rrr. And you make me a pray and call up in the head. I want to hear that from man.
Put your money where your mouth there. Long as your mouth down there up here, your money down there up here, so don't put your mouth up there. Too old order. You have money for your big people?
You mean money for big people? I want to tell my girl. Yo, you know what?
Remember say you're broke, I say you're not working. Remember good. Remember good, you hear? Oh, you see as from today, in this house here, you see long as I provide, don't raise the voice.
Oh, you're not ramp with mommy. Broke you up again, man.
Broke you up again. I'm glad I go home.
Go on now, it's not going easy yourself.
I'm not going in the house.
Wait a minute, I'm going in the house.
I'm not going in the house. Anyway you lick me. You have to tell it today.
Oh,
anyway you lick me again.
One night house.
Anyway you lick me again. Appear things are going out this way.
Wait a minute, yo, one night house.
Don't know where I come from.
Take one night house, yo. If you want to shut the phone in your head, man.
I'm my head.
Alright, broke you up in a girl. Here, say to anybody look over here.
I have to left.
Mash you up, left over.
I have to left.
Alright, so bad on me left. If you feel like your man, me left me. Mash you up in this here.
Sorty! Sasha! Hello! Where you take girl and me a call you? Come here, man. We need a come on, girl. Oh, girl. Go look at the coffee did this. Look up at the room.
What's your problem?
What are you doing? That's your one guy.
Look up to him and said, oh, pay
I'm
him.
thinking that so.
Oh, I'm going to stroke you. I left him on the list because but I don't want to let him so. I feel like I'm going to give him a really real chance. So guess what? You see through me tell him so we're going to link up later. Tell him so we're going to link up. No, not 15 minutes. We go bail and put on clothes and see. I did go buy groceries put in the house, but I'm not bad because the clothes will get too hot.
Okay.
So hey, put this in my invitation again. Money can man give.
$100 and give me, can't give me a next one.
A $15,000 again.
So, you can't give me $100.
Buy some of your heat. I forgot that they want me today to figure out how to burn.
Yeah.
All the money make tear. What I'm gonna tell the man say, 15 minutes time will come for me.
Alright, my car.
I see if your cousin no mind shop, I'll never bring him. And then no matter.
Hello? Yeah, you can come pick up your girl in the next 15 minutes.
Take time to get the money here.
Oh, alright. Where you can come?
What name?
You might come.
What's your name?
You know your man name?
I don't know.
I want to chat about.
We don't mind our own business and go on.
What you chat about?
You want something?
Oh, give me a deal with you.
Go on your face, may I tell you.
What you chat
You know,
about?
We don't excuse.
What was that about? May I go to my mother? She called me.
You mean when I call you? All of a sudden, so?
Yes.
You know, let's have to say no, my girl. I'm sure of him.
Hello, I'm going to me, man. Say
Lift
no.
up. I'm going with the business then.
Come on, yeah.
Oh,
See,
you're
let me
around
take
with
me.
Oh, you're around with me, you know. Don't you can't play with me, you know.
I want to have a cup of it. You can't come out here today. Where you like? What do you like to carry now?
Yeah, listen to him. What's his name?
Well, say, remember say back door they about ya.
Man, come play with me in the man, yo. Come in the house, go talk.
My friend.
Do not touch me.
Come on, my face. Go on now. Go on now. Oi. Come in now, sir.
Leg off.
Brother, come, yo.
Leg off of me, I'm not going nowhere. Leg off of me hand.
Where you meet, yo?
You feel like I want this. Hello.
Go on now, house.
I'm not going nowhere. Leave me alone. What there? I don't like how you're going, you know. And you know you're not around with me every minute you come Georgia. If I'm come here, you're being abusive. I say it still.
You say more action, more action life, you know what? You have a chill life, man. You can't walk up and road, man. You don't see man look on you. I'm jealous boy, no. You're mad, you know.
But people tell us my mother want me. I want to put my mother.
No way I come from a while ago with my cousin, you know, Chelsea.
I tell us my mother call.
You see my baby like say, yo, he run things. Look on him, go, you know, saying, look.
Your cousin not make peace run. Why you can't make
but all
peace
of a
run?
sudden, so,
Man,
you're not a good friend, so.
we're not good friend. I just say I come in and I ain't feeling no way. I can't feel that be in the same puzzle.
Matter of fact, where get the money from? They are point to. Where get the money from? Which mother?
My mother.
Which mother?
My stepmother.
Stepmother where?
My father woman. My mother. My stepmother. Me and her are close. And I tell her I say me having difficulties and my boyfriend going bankrupt and she give me money. I did not give you some more time but me not bother.
Alright now. I first made all this a woman to come and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get $700 I give cost $100.
So that I will my one, you need it.
But you need it more. Remember say you broke. More. Anyways, I really want to go to my mother and I tell her say I go to my
Yo, my first I don't let go, you know. You might know.
I forgot.
Let me know if you go look on your boat. Remember something I drive, you know, when I ride my bike, you know.
You never ride bicycle.
And that me tell
Remember say you
I
drive
foot them.
BMW.
Better me walk.
Better me walk.
Thank you.
I don't tell her walking still.
No worry, say me what no man where come with them flashy car up here you must.
You know I'm buying one juice.
What do you mean by buy one juice?
One juice I want to.
Use money you get.
So why you can't buy it for me?
Any money to reach it.
That's why I can't win. That's what
What?
eh?
Where is it?
So that's why I forgot buy you one bun.
I'm not going to make choke already.
I used to come. Yeah, they wipe out bun and cheese. But I'll buy more bun for your house than cheese too.
What am I?
Later. Oh, my phone. Is my phone? I'm busy at the place, man. But I get same, you know.
Get same way you walk. Are you there? Take up your phone and go there, man.
I like how you place.
Take up your phone and go there, man.
Don't you see me not come in for now? I could probably come in late up in the night.
What do you mean by coming late up in the night? Where you go?
Me and my mother. I
Where
said we
you
have a
go
deal
in the
with
night?
PR.
So late.
Be at 5 o'clock.
So what you say? You come at 5 o'clock and then you come back 5:30.
You sick? I'm mad at me over. Me come back home 3 o'clock in the next morning. I come back tomorrow. Bill, you know my love is same.
When you may come back 3 o'clock in the next morning.
Probably bring a cousin with me. Cause my mother want to introduce to her.
You see, if you come at 3 o'clock in the morning, don't come back here.
Me not have to come.
And you see, if you make 7 o'clock reach and you come here, don't come back here, you know.
Me not have to come
See
back.
that what?
Me not have to come back either. Remember, say me have a yard. You go like say, you are help me out. Remember, say me I help you out.
Yeah,
Me gonna bring your cousin with me here.
Because we must see someone jobs here.
What?
Go on, man, a good man.
Sasha, come find go with my mother girl.
Watch. And you're holding the man girl, guys, so you just want to see. You are not good me. Come in, cuz. Oh, it's a family, I'm sure.
So you came here
Let me
to
make you know a 4 yards, so you can want to tap link yard for.
You see me, I came, man, come here, sir.
Yeah, woman come tap link, you know hard. You take me to get the woman there. If some woman nice and I read the gringo, you take boy to get woman like that there. See this?
What that have to do with
I
you?
say, if you see this,
What that,
you
yeah.
are sleeping at night and the rest of your life.
Say you're asleep.
You know, say you're idiot.
You're idiot.
Look at this! I'm gonna look to that girl. Oh, go on. I don't see you from when me say you get bigger now till you take care of your sister, your stepsister, man.
God. I didn't listen to your ear for
Me
you.
here, man. Me here.
Nothing no go so.
I'm looking niece me I look for. Can't see her. You know you look short, man.
Yeah.
You don't see her now.
No, sir.
Normally she go take her lumber and come back. No, everyone at the contact him have for all the lumber them when she take. Nobody can find her none of the place. I look for you. Way up some I come. Way over the bush over some. I go see go dive in the water look for him and I see her nowhere.
You mean if you tell me say I run, she run again?
I don't know if I run, she run or she walk or she fly away. I don't know what she do, or she creep away or she swim away. I just look for her everywhere. So, you know, see her.
So you wanna search so way?
No, other people are search different place, you know?
Oh.
Yeah, man, so.
Okay.
If I not on time I know, cause the way me say I go and me say that you like oh yeah take your see your sitting man. You couldn't take me to one night time too. Cause me have a local woman, but you couldn't take me some other time. But you wanna look my niece, we can't put that on my brain. But if I see it does contact with if it's nowhere, you know. If you go up on the ends, you do a little thing and you see her there,
No,
you know.
focus on your woman.
No, I'm not talking about that part, man. Because I know say, you see the lumber you talk about, you know. A lumber yard, you see how you jump to the lumber. When I say my niece, I look for, you can't talk to you about lumber, you know, man. You can't talk to you about lumber, you know. I know it's a lumber you want. But anyhow, you see here, anything,
Mom make you know, man. Mom
yeah,
call
link
you.
somebody, just link somebody, tell somebody, tell somebody.
Alright. Later.
Yeah. Link a mess.
Fire. Where are you?
I look at me, I look for.
Little miss. I want to her.
No, we just can't find her from when.
If she's in a run, will she run with her?
No, if I run, she run where I turn, she turn away, you know. But my job is to try to find him, I'm looking niece. Doing the problem, and me and him can't agree, but still a part of the family.
The last time we see your niece, you don't know what you know, so far, not with us yet.
Well, that's she me I look for. But you're good though.
Yeah, me good.
Me just see your stepsister pass around so I long out her tongue off of me. Oh, she love man so. She a long out her tongue like she want. Me don't know.
Fire, me don't say, me don't want you to talk about her, me don't want nothing to
So
do
you
with
walk
her.
behind her. She just passed a while
Me
ago.
don't want to be
You are
here,
going
make
set
up my
direction.
business.
So you want to go into the same business?
Which part she done?
She goes so.
Well, me I go so.
Alright, anyway. They are all it have still. You want to find me news though. Me know say you're not enough friend because she give enough problem. But anyhow you hear about her, because she can't have a man yard smartly, you know, because she's sneaking. You understand?
I don't know, say sneaky.
Very sneaking, but normally she run away, go take lumber, she'd have come back. And she'd have borrow somebody's phone and call somebody's number in the yard. You understand? So it's strange how she don't make no contact, she don't call nobody at all. You understand? So that's the problem. She don't call her mother, no, she don't do nothing at all. She don't call or stepfather, she don't call nobody at all for no. So somebody could have call. Because we call country, she not that country. We call town, she not that town.
Yes, you say down the road.
Yes, but down the road, she go most of the time. Up the road, that too much uptown people. Look, we swing have to go down. Because she short, she can't match uptown. So, and they say she down the road, that come on the side. Because she always down with. When they go uptown, she gone now. That girl clever, you know. When you put on 2 foot, something on his foot and tall up himself and go. Because uptown, they love tall girl, you know. Tall girl, they love uptown. So, she try up them and a couple of niggas them and them say, no, too short. Downtown, they don't take anything, they don't care. They don't care, clad. Anyway, I hold up my time now. I look through all of the gully and all of the trench and I pop them building them. Because some of the time I catch up with some local. You understand? People don't have nothing. End up anyway. So I see me I look for still.
Well, I'm going to say I look for somebody still.
So you do what I tell you to do? You lock your shop and turn it down. Alright, so come see how I can come and glimpse you and see how I know so shop lock. Come see how I walk up. A good idea. A good idea. Yeah, go on, do. Okay, miss.
Thanks for your money.
How do you know?
I better help me do your money.
Thanks for goodness. Like $1,130.
Yeah, $1,100.
Tired out.
Hello, I'm gonna tell you this.
Your
Don't
face
feel like
is
this, I can really repeat itself. I truly feel like more like a man is going to get abused. Matter of fact, why you afraid? You don't spend no money, you know?
You say, oh, they don't turn around and I look clean to come here and say, I'm missing, I don't even know what's wrong with her. And one day if I show you look at one thing. But, you know,
Yeah, can I smell it? Smell it, do you need to clean it up.
what are with that?
Something here smells stink.
What are with that, dude?
Is it right true? You don't smell it too?
Smell nothing, man.
Something
Show me
smells
like a garbage
stink,
full of this, man. Nobody talk about that, man. Some clean.
Smell it. Look at me.
Say it.
Yeah, go down in the family and say, my man don't get good. And him start get abusive. All when can I get calmed down from him cousin gone. I don't know what happened, but
So baby can't get on mornings.
listen later. When they come, this time I want $2,000. Okay? And one house I want bill. Later. But $1,100 can't get so much on a US in about it, no.
Come see you, man. Make sure you reach up safe here.
Man.
Yes, Jack. You know, say right now, I'm using to look for careers. And we have some people out there who are the bush them and look for her. I don't know if a man kidnap her and who are going, we just can't find her now. Shorty, you're not the friend, man.
Father, because I understand. This about a couple of days now, I see I'm hear from her.
Well, 1 week to be in fact, you know, we know. But at first we are say she really, I'm a niece, you know. So I know that she give a lot of trouble, but I don't think so nobody go and hurt her because everybody knows that she stand.
I don't think so. I say she love man, you know. So she probably up and down with that man or something. Because she very love man in her real life.
So this evening, me and JAMMIWOOD go out on the pier because a girl, so my time, she will jump up down that sometimes she can't swim. So my time she have some.
I say you look disabled, you don't want to look away.
Well, when he's small, he accidentally drop out time at the hand.
Oh, so come to get Down syndrome.
Drop sideways, he drop on it and on licking belly and licking foot. So, but apart from that, thing good.
Hospital then.
Well, we have to do that too. Because we have to search as much as possible because 1 week too long. If you not see her. Normally she go with a one man, she not spend more than 3 days.
I tell her say I love man, I don't feel like I don't do him. I just feel like a man in down.
Well, anyway, I go back up the road there so we'll make one more search about some more, push over some other part and see.
I try to look for him, I feel like a man in down. I feel like I don't do him, I go down and I go lie down and sleep. You're alright. When I stop touching myself, I say I love man, you know, and I love problem. So him probably go face it, spend it on the road and then lick him, send him to the hospital. Because I know him face, him out on the face. Me go na go see if she alright whatever she do.
Good.
You
Tell
walk
Jab
down
once,
there.
no. Tell Jab once I'm soon forward. Me I'm go down up here. Go look at me down there. Alright?
Alright, later.
Ah.
Mirror-hearted. Lily Swing. Lily Swing. Oh, God. Thank you, Lily Swing. Dreaming of me tank. Is that me police hook? Me bombard. Also me kill me one of free. Wow, go on, Father God. Kill Lily Swing in this. Lily Swing John. Oh, John Lily Swing. Me bombard. Hello? Babes! Thank you, Lily Swing. Lily Swing dead. She in my chum. Yeah. And police are going to look for me now when they hear about this. I see how Lily Swing reach over me yard and dead in my chum. Me bombard, me go pick up my clothes them. Yo, me no know. I beer blood that come out of my pipe water. Me go to wash my face. I beer blood. No, don't tell me, boy. Don't beat them away, yeah. Me feel bad, don't panic. Me real G. Oh man, Lily Swing dead. You can't pack up my things about going. Alright, babes, me pack up my things and go. You can't believe them kill Lily Swing, yo.
What do you mean? Be calm down. What do you mean by them kill her? You kill her?
She dead. Me see her in my jump.
Oh, she dead.
Me can't believe me go wash my face and me smell it something like.
What was her? Hey.
Yeah, baby boy. How you look on the phone with all that?
Me don't even phone nobody. Listen now, a serious time. Somebody just when a shorty friend them call me and tell me say them kill shorty.
Me do that.
What you
What do you
mean?
mean by me do that? Don't try to bring up on go get top link. Why you feel that?
Who name that
What do
bling?
you mean by how you find your phone a while ago?
Me her friend. He
Friend.
call me.
Come and see your phone. Where you hide phone board?
Why you
Bro.
start act like a psycho?
Man a psycho.
Why you fi kill your own
What
cousin?
you mean by give me one cousin? Me not like him got this style.
So you don't kill she, what you do to me?
You know what to you. But you know, me not do something to you know. Where you run go? Sit on the bed, where you run go? Me not
Who
hurt
you
you
fi
man.
kill
You
cousin?
go to kill my cousin.
Which man you talk boy?
No top link.
Yeah. It goes on and on. It goes on and on. And we keep on approaching the pressure.